If you're tired of cars that break down right after the warranty ends, this one's for you. In 2025, American drivers aren't chasing horsepower, they're chasing peace of mind. These are the 5 cars that drivers across the US say never let them down. From bulletproof sedans to long-lasting hybrids, these are the most reliable cars in America right now. The Toyota Camry isn't just a car. It's practically a family member at this point. For decades, this thing has been known for one thing: it refuses to die. The 2025 Camry keeps that reputation going, with an upgraded hybrid powertrain that pushes out nearly 50 mpg combined. Maintenance? Minimal. Resale value? Still one of the highest in its class. What really makes the Camry unbeatable is how it ages. Owners report hitting 300,000 plus miles without major engine or transmission issues. You'll find this car everywhere, from delivery drivers to daily commuters, because everyone knows a Camry just works. Next up, the Honda Accord, a car that's built its reputation on consistency. The 2025 Accord continues to deliver on everything drivers love: strong reliability, top safety, and a smooth hybrid engine that can handle daily grind with ease. It's not flashy, it's not trying to be a sports car, but if you ask long-term owners, many have driven their Accords past 400,000 miles with regular oil changes. For families and commuters, the Accord is a safe bet that's both smart and stylish. And with Honda's latest safety assist tech, it's proof that reliable doesn't have to mean boring. Few cars have a fan base as loyal as Subaru. The 2025 Outback is like a golden retriever on wheels, loyal, dependable, and ready for anything. With its symmetrical all-wheel drive, rugged design, and top crash test ratings, it's a favorite in states that deal with snow and rough terrain, from Colorado to Maine. What makes the Outback stand out is how it survives harsh conditions year after year. It's the go-to for people who want adventure without worrying about breakdowns in the middle of nowhere. Imagine luxury that never leaves you stranded. That's the Lexus ES, one of the most reliable luxury sedans ever made. Underneath that quiet cabin and smooth suspension lies the same dependable DNA as the Toyota Camry, just with better materials and comfort. According to Consumer Reports and JD Power, the Lexus ES regularly ranks in the top 3 most reliable luxury cars in America. It's quiet, refined, and durable. The kind of car that proves luxury doesn't have to be high maintenance. To wrap it up, America's most trusted SUV, the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. It's not just efficient, it's practically unstoppable. With over 430,000 units sold in the US last year, it's one of the top-selling vehicles, period. Owners report years of trouble-free driving, even with high mileage. And with up to 40 mpg and Toyota's unbeatable hybrid system, it's no wonder the RAV4 Hybrid continues to dominate reliability rankings. So, what do all these cars have in common? They prove that reliability still matters in 2025, maybe more than ever. Which of these would you trust for the next 10 years? Drop your answer below, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-world car insights every week, only on Motor Hype.